Hello and welcome to Options-Quant University. This short series will teach you everything you need to know about getting started with the Options-Quant platform. Options-Quant is a powerful platform for traders of all levels. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced trader looking to take your skills and knowledge to the next level, Options-Quant has everything you need to succeed. In this video series, we'll be walking through the platform step by step, starting with basic options pricing and then moving on to more advanced volatility strategies that you can implement using the platform. In contrast to its name, Options-Quant has many other pricing models outside of just vanilla options, including, but not limited to, futures pricing, bond pricing, FX options pricing, term structure calculations, and so much more. So if you're ready to take your knowledge and skills to the next level, then join us at Options-Quant University. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos in this series.